Today how to take multiple copy of SQL database backup just in one command, and as well as the management studio. So before that, I would suggest welcome to my channel Tech and Art, and I have one request for you guys. Please subscribe my channel and share it as well. Okay, so what I did here, I have created the playlist of SQL DBA where around more than 68 videos, which is based on the live scenarios. You go with all the videos. It is really helpful. If you like the videos, please give the thumbs up. Thank you. So let's come to the point. So today I'm going to take a multiple copy of backup. So this is my T-SQL. Here I'm going to take the backup with the two different location just in one command. So let me execute the okay. It will give you the percentage result and your backup is in progress. So just one click you can take the multiple copy of backup database tech01, which I have taken here. With the same approach you can take it with the management studio. Go to the database, right click, come to task and come to backup, and here you need to give the location, the two different location where you want to keep the backup. Just click on OK, hit the backup, and it will give the result of completion of backup. Okay, so it's very easy. You can take a multiple copy of backup. So now my backup is completed, as you can see that. Okay, so it's very easy task. You can take a multiple copy of backup in a just single T-SQL command and as well as the management studio. So that's it guys for today. In the next session I will come with another approach for the shortcut things. Okay, and I will tell you how to do that for the other things. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting me. Thank you.